Okay, when you assemble the antenna, it looks like this. At the bottom, you've got the base coil, then the 80-meter loading coil, then the 160-meter loading coil, then the telescopic whip. If you're unsure of the order, just take a look at the instruction manual. If you download the instruction, or the instruction manual that came with it was in Japanese, so if you don't read Japanese, go to the dxstore.com and download in PDF the English instructions. And it shows you the components, and it's a very well organized instruction manual, and it shows you the correct order: base, 80-meter, 160, and telescopic. So if you were going to just use 80 meters, you'd take out the 160 portion and put the telescopic directly to the 80-meter coil, and then the base. If you're going to use other bands, for example 40 meters, you'd take out both coils, just keep the base and the telescopic. No jumpers are required for 40 meters, or for 80 or 160 for that matter. If you're going to use the base loading coil with the telescopic for other bands other than 40, you would use the jumper system. And that's discussed in the manual, where to put the jumpers exactly. So this is a 50 ohm antenna. Once again, it's 100 watts for all bands, peak, except for 80, which is 75 watts peak. Always use a counterpoise with it. Use a right angle connector for your particular radio, or you can use it on a tripod. It's very compact, extremely versatile. It's a compromise antenna. And as for compromise antennas, it's a nice one because it's so portable. And I got mine at the dxstore.com. I like supporting small business. It's a small business with great prices and excellent service, super fast shipping, so that's why I chose them. Any questions, just put them down below. I'll try to put up a video with me on the air. I've had this for about a month, been testing it out. So far, works great. More versatile than my Elecraft AX1. 7.3.